I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to maintain your ceramic coated car. This is my very dirty 928. It was coated about a year ago. It's been in storage for 6 months. We're going to wash it. I'm going to show you what to do, how to do it, what not to do, what to avoid. Most important thing, do not take your car to a automatic car wash with brushes. It'll ruin your paintwork. Even though they all say scratch-free, they will scratch your paint. Best way to do it is either take it to your detailer, they will do a really good job of washing it, or do it yourself. You don't need a lot of equipment to do it yourself. You use the 2-bucket method, one with a dirt trap. If you want to get a little bit more advanced, get yourself a pressure washer with a foam lance. It's a better experience, it's more fun to wash your car, you get a better finish out of it. The other thing you want to watch out for is your drying technique. Now, when you wash a car, there is soap, there's lubrication, so you minimize the scratches, but when you're drying, you're removing just water. There isn't a lot of lubrication. So your drying technique is really important. I've seen a lot of bad drying techniques and I've actually tried them out numerous times and seen how they can damage the hydrophobic effects and things like that on the ceramic coatings. I'm going to be covering that as well. A good idea if you're starting out is to get the Fine Lab maintenance kit. It has everything you need to maintain your vehicle inside and out. So yeah, let's get started. Best way to wash your car is from the top down. Do the sills last because that's where the most dirt is and you don't want to rub that dirt over the rest of your paintwork. Dunk it in the soapy bucket and start washing. Do one panel per side. Linear front to back motions helps with hiding swirl marks and any micro abrasion that may occur during the washing step. Dunk it in the clean water bucket, back in the soapy solution. All right, lastly, I'm going to go around the bottom of the car. Anything below the wheel arch. So I spoke about using a drying towel. You can really damage the ceramic coating by using the wrong method. A common method that I see people use a lot is throwing the towel and then dragging it across the panel. Now it dries the paint beautifully, but it's still too much abrasion. So the best way is just to put the towel down, pat it, lift it, move it to the next, and so on. If you used a blower, you'd only have about 10% of the water remaining. It'd be really easy to just go in there, dry those last remaining bits with a towel without causing any real damage. Onto the roof. So there we go, I've washed my car. While washing it, we noticed the hydrophobics were still really good, so we didn't need to use detailer on this car. Use detailer for when the hydrophobic starts dropping off, or if you need to do a quick spot clean. It's a really good quick spray and wipe just to clean up a small smudge mark or a mess. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. We'll get back to you. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.